let's define value. All right. Because I can say your freebie must have value, but a lot of times people don't really understand what value is. Okay. And I know that sounds a little weird, but it's true. People just sometimes don't understand what value is. Okay. So let's define value. Value is when you solve a specific problem for a specific person. Let me repeat that. You solve a specific problem for a specific person. Your bait must solve a big problem that your dream customer has. If you can zero in on what this problem is and who really has it and actually solve it, your bait will be extremely attractive. Extremely attractive. Okay. So I'm going to run through this slide one more time simply because I I think this is extremely important and a lot of you guys miss this. Um, Past students have sort of missed this a little bit. The definition of value is solving a specific problem for a specific person. Your bait must solve a big problem that your dream customer has, or your perfect customer, or your ideal customer, whatever you want to call it. If you can zero in on what this problem is and who really has it and actually solve it within your bait will be extremely attractive. Now, we talked about being attractive, being desirable. So, what's the definition of desirable? All right. This is an opportunity to solve one of the problems your perfect customer has. The more specific your bait is, the more it will be desired. So, being specific is a core component of being desirable. Okay. As long as it solves the specific problem that your customer really has, not what you think he has, but what they really have, or the specific desire they want, if you can accurately, accurately solve that, your bait will be extremely desirable. Okay. Now, before I move on, I just want to really quickly make sure that we get something out of the way here. This is not bait. All right. I repeat, this is not bait. This is something you would see on a blog or a website, and it says, like the Atlantic, subscribe to the Daily, our free weekly email newsletter. This is not bait. Okay, because there's nothing in it for the customer. They're just, subscribe to our email list. That's not what we're talking about here. We're talking about a specific solution to a specific problem for a specific person. All right. And the closer we get to specifics, the better.